Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler, and today we are doing an unboxing video. This is my first unboxing video from a guy that's a part of the channel that's watching. His name is Jake. That's all we're gonna give out on him. He has no Instagram that he wants to put out. If you want to broadcast it or something like that, please be sure to put it in the comments. Or if you want to let me know, Jake, on the side, if you wanted me to do that or something of that nature, just let me know. So he sent me this care package. I have no idea what's in it. Super excited. And let's get into it. I know he's got something in there I haven't gotten into yet, and he better not get me into them either, because I'll be broke. Can't do that. Can't do knives and other stuff, too, you know what I mean? Today's unboxing knife, and I'm cutting this weird. Today's unboxing knife is the Civivi Ortiz, which I will also be reviewing here shortly. Let's see here. If you guys are curious, yes, this is a new setup. So, let's get into this. I'm freaking stoked for this, man. Alright. First, oh my goodness. This guy, he's not... Holy you're playing with me, dude. That's insane. Absolutely insane. Oh my gosh. I don't even know where to start. I mean, so many cool stuff, and I don't even know what's in there. I just know it's going to be cool stuff. Let's see. I don't even know what these knives are, so I might have to put the descriptions in the comments. Ooh, we got some Byrd knives. I don't know what Byrd model this is. I don't know the Byrd models that well. Oh, the Cara 2, apparently. Interesting. This is like the Spyderco-ish, Endura-ish mixture. I know this has a, it's more of an Endura, but I know this has like a feel to them, and they probably label it as something. Anyways, I'm gonna have to kind of go through this quick because I didn't realize he gave us so much stuff in here. This is freaking exciting. I'm actually pretty excited that he gave the Byrd, mainly because I've been considering mainly because I've been considering checking out Byrd just because they're a budget brand of Spyderco, and they're kind of like the you know, I feel like they don't get enough publicity because nobody talks about them because Spyderco is so awesome. So this is a CRKT, the Piet. Wow, this thing's pretty... So you guys can see the CRKT. I'm going to call it the Piet or Piet. Pretty sweet. All right, next on the monster unboxing. This is got to be probably the most monstrous unboxing video that anybody has ever done. Oh yes, steel will. First and foremost, thank you so much for sending a steel will knife. I have the steel will sedge, and I'm kind of disappointed with it up to this point. But this thing, if I would have got this in hand, I would have been like, yeah, that's it. Holy freaking crap. This is the Steel Will Screamer. I only know this because I'm having to read the knives. If they don't have the list on there, I'm not going to get it. Ronnie's excited too. He's just going berserk over here. This looks like a Bestech. What is this? I'm not sure which one this is. This might be the Texel. I've been getting into Bestechs a little bit more. Wow, the action on this, guys, is stupid. Absolutely stupid. This is the Bestech Texel, I'm guessing. If I'm wrong, you know, it is what it is. I'll figure it out, but pretty badass. Jake, man. Holy crap, dude. You're not playing around. You have just given me content for freaking months. Absolutely insane, bro. Thank you so much. Another steel will, the Modus. I have to keep looking, guys, because these are all knives that I've never handled. So I apologize that I have to keep looking like I'm a jackass, but this is a steel will Modus. Really glad you sent a bunch of steel wills, man. That I wanted to love that sedge, and it's just not doing it for me. And these things, both of these, the Modus and the Screamer, are just awesome. No, my son's trying to play with knives in here, and that's not a good situation. Holy freaking crap, man. This feels like another steel will just based on what they got, yeah. I'm going to guess this is the mini Modus because we got a Modus, and I think the Mini. Two very, very cool knives. This is seriously Christmas Day for an adult. Like, I can't get past how awesome this is. I thought you said you were sending me two, bro. I want to say we talked about it, and he said he was going to send me two, and I was going to try to, like, bring them back to life sharpen-wise and everything. This is the Para 3, which is great. Why? Because I've been looking at getting a Para 3 and really wanting to get my hands on one because I have the Para 2 for, like, a comparison knife, and everybody really raves about the Para 3 more so than the Para 2. The Para 2, obviously, is one of the benchmarks of knives, but the Para 3 is like what everybody they just love this knife, so I'm so glad to get my hands on this. Oh boy, you are awfully trusting, my friend. I know I'm a cool guy, but shit. Jesus. I saw the big package and I just didn't think anything of it. Oh my goodness. A Twosun. I don't know what model this is. I recognize it, but I don't remember the model name. Dude, you got an awesome little collection, man. So I'm going to try to get all these names of these knives and put them in the video before I post it. Not in the video, but like in the description, so if you guys are interested in seeing what these are, because I don't exactly even know, which is even more fun. And my son's having fun with it, so that's pretty cool too. No. Is this what is this? This is that, damn it, I should know what this is. And you guys are going to kick me for not knowing. This is that, shit. Damn it, the name's eluding me, but wow. Because you know this is a budget brand, because the steel's an ACR13. Or not budget brand, but budget knife. And I remember one being out there that I didn't pick up out of the budget ones. Pretty freaking cool, though. Pretty cool. Dude, thank you so much, Jake. I'm going to keep saying it. Oh my gosh. It's absolutely awesome. We're going to have to give my kid like a downer so I can play with these things. CRKT, the Caligo. I was looking at this actually online because this reminded me of something else that I was actually looking at, and I think it was just the color scheme, the blue. It kind of reminds me of the Osborne, the 940, because it has like the same color scheme. It obviously looks nothing like it, but the same color scheme and like just a comparable profile. But obviously, I'm not saying it's anywhere near it, but that's awesome. Oh man, no, we're gonna get to those afterwards. We got some flashlights in there that Tyler's not gonna get into until after all this is said and done. I believe this is the Delica. Yeah, that's what we got. Very cool. You gotta let me know, man. Shoot me an email once you see this video, or I'll shoot you an email. Well, I'll definitely shoot you an email because it's freaking awesome. But Jesus, dude, just getting my hands on all these is freaking amazing. So thank you so much. You know, it's weird. You know, you look at Metal Complex and they reference like, and I'm kind of embarrassed. You know, just not even knowing by looking. You see them all the time and you can name them in videos, but when you get it in your hand and you're seeing these and you've never felt it before, which it sounds crazy, you're a viewer, you've never felt the Delica, you've never felt the Enduro, but the problem is that, you know, when you're not a big reviewer, you don't necessarily get this unless your friend has it or you purchased one. So it's freaking awesome, man. You just skyrocketed within the next month or two the knowledge that I have of these just by getting them in hand and feeling these. So thank you again so much. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's see here. Make sure we're not missing nothing. I hope you didn't have a freaking... I thought I saw... Was I wrong? There wasn't a note or anything in here, was there? I got so excited that you sent me 500,000 knives that I was like, We'll look at the note later. I don't think there is a note, though, so that's good. All right, last but not least, we have some flashlights that he said to check out. This is the Olight. I'm going to say the 3T EOS. And you sent me, what the? No, just kidding, Jake. I'll send it back with some fresh bats. What the hell are you growling at? The kid's growling at you, man. What the hell? Unless I'm doing something stupid, like maybe there's a way to turn these on or something, because neither one of them. But it's, I'll check out the lights and whatnot. But this is the Olight TS or i5T EOS. So here's the two flashlights he sent me. I don't know that I'm going to review these. Why? Because I don't know the first freaking thing about flashlights, but maybe I'll do kind of a show and tell video. Once I learn them, I'll do some research on them first. See, I'm like sitting here trying to figure out how to turn them on. But no, it's oh my goodness. Holy freaking crap, dude. Like, I was going to do some reviews tonight, and then, like, I didn't realize an unboxing was going to be fucking 14 hours long because you sent me a million damn knives, man. Your collection is awesome. So you guys out there, give Jake some love, man. This dude, holy freaking crap. He sent me all of this stuff to check out. Now, that has got to be one of the coolest, absolutely coolest things anybody has done up to this point. Now, obviously, I don't want to shortchange Justin. Justin sent me this, which kind of, I can't deny that I love that he did that. That's awesome. And I'm not trying to overshadow that, but this is the first time anybody sent me some knives for review, and you sent me an arsenal. I can't even fit them all on the same friggin' screen. Holy living crap. Wow. Just wow. You're just wow, dude. Freaking wow. Thank you so much, Jake. Thank you. This is awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Jake, again. Oh my goodness. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, and have a great freaking day. Because I just did right there. Alright, let me just add this onto the video. This is a secondary video that I'm posting with it. These two knives, the CRKT PA or PR, I think it's, you guys can read it for yourself. The Piet, and the Byrd Cara 2. Jake was so friggin' awesome. He sent me a note that said, and I missed it because I was so stoked on these freaking knives. I was like, holy shit. He donated these to the channel, guys. So, once again, seriously, Jake, way too much, but thank you so much. What we're going to end up doing with these is I'm going to review them. I'm going to do what I do. You know, if I see a comparison or something that I'm going to use them for, I will. But these will end up going in a giveaway. If a knife is ever donated to the channel, which I never anticipated happening anytime soon, but if a knife is ever donated to the channel, guys, there is a 99% chance that eventually I will give it away again. It's only right to do. It is super nice of Jake to donate to those to the channel. They're going to get well used, well loved. We'll sharpen them back up. We'll get them back up to speed. I'll clean them up. I'll take them apart. And eventually these will go out in a giveaway. I don't know what type of giveaway, but down the road. But seriously, dude. This dude, who would have thought? Oh my goodness. So freaking awesome. Thank you so much, Jake. And FYI, dumb moment on my part, they have no batteries because you're not supposed to ship them with batteries anyways. I'm an idiot. And he actually told me about that, and I just don't pay attention. I got so Christmas style stoked. Wow. Holy freaking crap. Thank you so much, Jake. Thank you.